And now to the latest on COVID-19 in Georgia today. The Department of Health reported more than 1,800 new cases. That is slightly lower than last week's average. Now, that can be explained by another down day for COVID testing, which has really caused our positivity rate to climb from about 9% last week to more than 12%, guys. That is not good. That's not the direction we want to go in. DPH also reported 76 more deaths connected to COVID. The number of people going to the hospital for medical care has also gone up for the first time in a month.
On social media, there's a lot